So the phrase of the week this week is give someone the benefit of the doubt. We use this when we choose to believe what someone tells us because we can't prove what they are saying isn't true. Sometimes we might not really believe what they are telling us, but again, we can't prove it, we don't know, so we accept what they say. So you might hear someone say, "She said she was late to class because her train was delayed. The train company didn't say anything about delays, but I decided to give her the benefit of the doubt anyway." Or you might also hear, "He claimed that his dog ate his homework. This seemed unlikely, but the teacher gave him the benefit of the doubt and let him turn it in late." So the next time someone tells you something, and you're not sure if you believe them, but you can't prove they're lying, maybe you should give them the benefit of the doubt. See you next time on Phrase of the Week.